She's like, woo! Hey! This is our amazing girl. One-handed!
Oh! Hey, tall girl.
You walking forward?
She just learned what her knees are, and now we're just having her stand.
She just needs a bit of research from mommy, and she's ready to go back.
Okay. This is Adia the Amazing.
More research.
And her strong, strong legs. Ooh, look at those feet. They are ready to stand.
You're my friend. Oh, how are you done?
Oh.
Yeah. Woo, turn around. Whoa, oh, you want to keep turning around. Woo. Whee.
Whee. Hey, big girl.
Slowly but surely.
Go get Daddy.
Look at that.
Go get Daddy. She's so unfazed though when she goes back. I love it. Dad.
Coming over to me? Oh, you are so good. Coming over here? Oh, you are so good. Whew, you walked over all by yourself. Nope. Turn around. Wheel all the way around. Yeah, yeah. Come here.
Go get Mama. I know it's so
Oh, you are good at
exciting.
clapping your hands. Do do do. Come here. Come to mommy.
Look at her badass tattoo.
Daddy loves her
Go, 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 go. Yay!
tattoo.
Yay!
Good girl. Good girl.
Yay! Can you give us a wave? Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. You wait for
Adia.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Good girl.
Mwah.